Alright, I'm back after lunch, and this is the carport area we're going to be working in next. I think I'm going to end today with finishing up these cages, and then I'll come back later on in the week and we'll do some other cages outside and also clean up all of the waste and hay on the ground. So for here, I think I'm going to do just one side at a time, and then there's still some hay and stuff in the cages that I need to clean out. And then there's stuff like on top of the cages that I need to find better places for that stuff. I think I only have 4 rabbits on this side and 5 on the other side, and then we have these stacker cages that I need to clean out the trays for. There's another one in the back, and then this dog kennel straight back there, I need to clean that out because I'm going to have my cream d'argent doe have her babies in there in the shed with a heat lamp. So let's get started. This cage is pretty clean. I don't think I'm going to wash it with the soap. Just cleaned out the bedding in the tray. And so far, the rabbit that's been in here has only been in here for, I think, about 2 weeks, maybe only a week and a half. So it's a fairly clean cage. Alright, so we are back. It's been about a week since I first filmed the beginning of this video. It's been really cold and rainy, so today it's a little bit warmer. Everything is soaking wet, but we need to get the carport cleaned out. So I've backed up the trailer right up to the carport so we can start loading all of the old bedding and waste into that so we can dump it out in a compost pile. So this is the before, kind of what it's looking like. Alright, as you can see, our trailer is full and the carport is just about done. I'm going to do a little bit more raking, but otherwise it's looking pretty good. So I'll see you at the compost pile. Alright, let's go. So our back field is at the back of our property. That's where the name comes from. I'm going to slow down a little bit. It gets bumpy up here. So our property is kind of a rectangle shape. So our house is at the front half, and then the back field is a 3-acre field at the very back end of our property. And then we have a few fields in the middle between the big one and our house. But otherwise it's all pine trees. So we're pulling up here to the compost pile. Let's see if I can do this one-handed here. All right, I'm gonna back up. Here's the back field. Way down that way, that's our neighbor's property along that tree line. And then if we come this way, this is our property, our house is back there. And then this field goes into our neighbor's field, so it's kind of a divider there. And then this tree line that I pulled up behind, that is the property line for the field. So this is our compost pile. We kind of put all of our manure along this tree line. So I'm gonna get started. You can kind of see there's already a pile there. So I'm just gonna keep on going all the way down. I try to spread it out a little bit so that it can compost more easily. Yay, we got the trailer empty, so I'll sleep that out when we get back to the rabbits. I'm still not sure if I'm going to need to do a second load or if I'll just finish cleaning out the cages and do more manure stuff in a few weeks when I deep clean all of the cages. But this is what the compost pile is looking like. And like you saw, I have more that go down the field that way. So the next trip I'll probably dump right here in the middle. So yeah, let's get back to the rabbits. For this side, I had some halfway good pine shavings, so I put those down to soak up any mud and urine, and then the other side I didn't, so I put more lime on the side that doesn't have the pine shavings. And then the last thing that I did was put this dog kennel on some cement blocks in here. We are in the shed, and this is going to be for probably my cream d'argent doe. She's due in about a week and a half, and it's probably going to be too cold outside for the babies, so I'll put a heat lamp in here for her, and she can have her babies in here. It'll be a lot more comfortable for her. And I think that just about wraps it all up. I'm going to end today's video by saying thank you to all of our subscribers and supporters. Make sure to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.